Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the FEMAP solution steps for the dynamic analysis of fixed beam. This is the problem statement. We have density, Poisson's ratio, and a modulus of elasticity. So we will see how we can solve it in FEMAP. First, launch the software. Go to Preference. Go to Geometry Model. Make it meters. Give OK. And second, take Preference. Go to user interface, preset, give OK. Next step is to create the geometry. Curve line, go to continuous, then the coordinates are 0, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 0, then give cancel. Now to create a material, go to model, material, title is steel, Young's modulus value is 2.068 E11 and Poisson's ratio is 0.33, and here we need to give the density. The density, mass density is equal to 7830. Give OK. Give cancel. Material property, material is beam. Next material I will assign the steel. Then elemental property type is we are taking as beam here. Okay. Then here we have to select shapes, then standard shapes, rectangular bar. Here we have h value is equal to 0.01 and w is equal to 0.01. Give OK. Then give cancel. Next we need to go for mesh control, size along curve, then select the curve, give OK, give the value as 10, give OK, give cancel. Again mesh, geometry, curve, then select the curve, OK. Property type, here we have to give OK. Here we have okay, default it came beam. Give OK. Nodal vector values are y is equal to 1, all others are 0. Sorry, not here, should be at the tip. Okay. Go to model, constraints on node. Fixed, we can give the name as fixed. Okay, now we can select the left node and right node. This is the left node and this is the right node. Give OK, make it a fixed, give OK, cancel it now. Now we have to go for analysis. New analysis. Analysis type is normal mode. We need to make it a normal mode. Change it to normal modes and eigenvalues. Give next and keep on clicking next. Here the eigenvalue vector number by default is 10. If you want, we can change it. Continue it next, next, next. Now we can go for analysis. Our result is converged. I can check the result status. Yeah, no, there is no error. Now we have to see the results. For that, in this tree, go to all results, all results. So from it's for different mode. Here mode 1 and mode 2 results are same, but their directions are different. So we can check mode 1, then we can go for mode 3, like that. So first we will check for mode 1. Double click this one, go for deformed view, click the deformed view. Now you can see how the shape is. Same way for mode 3, double click it, deformed view, and if it is mode 2, double click it, you can see how it is deformed. So the result you can see here. Here you can see the natural frequency of the particular mode. This is for mode 1. Same way for mode 2, this value will be same, but direction will be different. And for mode 3, it is increased. And same way for mode 4, and for mode 5 it is again increased. Now we have 3 nodes here, and so keep on, it will be increased.